Every ecosystem appears calm on the surface, but beneath that calm, energy is constantly moving from one living thing to another. All food chains begin with the same source of energy, the sun. Without sunlight, life on Earth cannot produce food. Plants use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. Because they produce energy-rich food, they are called producers. Animals that eat plants are called primary consumers. They gain energy by feeding directly on producers. Some animals eat other animals. These are secondary or tertiary consumers, depending on their position in the chain. When energy moves in a single path, from producer to consumer, we call it a food chain. At each step, some energy is transferred and some is lost. In real ecosystems, animals rarely depend on just one food source. Food chains connect together, forming complex food webs. If one species changes or disappears, the entire web can be affected. Food chains show how energy moves. Food webs show how life is connected. Animals that are eaten by other animals are called prey. Prey store energy inside their bodies. That energy is passed on when they are eaten. Animals that hunt and eat other animals are called predators. Predators help control population sizes. They play an important role in keeping ecosystems balanced. When plants and animals die, their energy is not wasted. Decomposers break down dead material. Nutrients return to the soil. These nutrients help new plants grow. Energy continues to flow through the ecosystem. The cycle begins again. A food chain shows one clear path of energy, from the sun, to producers, to consumers, and finally, to decomposers. In real ecosystems, there is more than one path. Food chains overlap to form food webs. This shows how all living things are connected.